We really try hard to make sure that our site and our historic structures are accessible to all of the members of the community. I'm Betsy Bowers, and I oversee Heritage Lakewood Belmar Park, so I'm sort of like the museum director. Over the past 3 months, we've been intensively working to create better access to our 1930s house. I think that the biggest challenge is trying to make sure that the history itself and the structure itself and the integrity of the structure are maintained even as you create this access.
My name's John Paliga. I'm a landscape architect here at the City of Lakewood. It was set here in 1980, and it never was an accessible structure because the Americans with Disabilities Act didn't pass until 1990. Going through several different concepts, we decided to do an accessible route from the main walk here up to the front door and raise the porch up about 6 inches to match the finished floor of the building to provide a barrier-free access to the front of the building. One of the reasons we decided to put the accessible route over there is so that you can kind of do a circuit as you're moving through the museum, come up one way, come out the other way, and go on the rest of your tour to the east.